This is the analysis of Jharkhand highway expansion, a step towards infrastructure development. Jharkhand, located in eastern India, is a mineral-rich state with a significant industrial and economic importance. The state's road and highway network play a crucial role in its development. In a recent year, extensive efforts have been made towards highway expansion in Jharkhand, aiming to improve connectivity and facilitate smoother transportation. Here is the need of highway expansion. The need of highway expansion in Jharkhand has become essential due to several reasons. Industrial growth. Jharkhand is a home to major industrial hubs like Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Dhanbad, Ranchi. Well-developed roads are crucial for smoother transportation of industrial goods. Mineral transportation. The state is rich in coal, iron ore and other minerals, making efficient roadways essential for transportation to the industries and port. Economic development. Improved highways contribute to economic growth by boosting trade, tourism and employment opportunities. Urbanization and population growth. As urbanization increases, better road infrastructure is required to handle rising traffic. Connectivity to remote area. Several regions in Jharkhand are still under development. Expanding highways ensure better access to healthcare, education and market. Here is the key highway expansion project in Jharkhand. The Jharkhand government, along with the National Highway Authority of India, has undertaken several key highway expansion projects. Ranchi-Jamshedpur Expressway, a major project to enhance connectivity between the state capital and the industrial city. Dhanbad-Bokaro-Ranchi Highway Expansion, improving connectivity between key industrial cities. NS33, which is Ranchi to Bhagora, widening and upgrading to reduce travel time and enhance safety. Golden Quadrilateral Project, a strengthening Jharkhand role in the national connectivity through improved road linking major cities. Here is the challenges in a highway expansion. Despite rapid progress, there are several challenges. Land acquisition issue, delay due to disputes over land ownership. Environmental concern, road construction impact forest and wildlife requiring sustainable planning. Funding and budget constraints, large-scale project demand sustainable investment. Maintenance and quality control, ensuring long-term durability and safety of roads. Here is the benefit of highway expansion. The expansion of highway in Jharkhand offers multiple benefits: faster and safer transportation, reduced travel time and accident rate, boost to trade and commerce, easier movement of goods across the state and beyond, employment generation. Infrastructure projects create job opportunities, growth of tourism, improve access to tourism destinations like Netarhat, Devghar and Parasnath. Last but not the least, the highway expansion in Jharkhand is a crucial step towards the state economic and the infrastructural growth. While challenge exists, continue efforts and investment with help transfer Jharkhand into a well-connected and its prosperous state. This expansion will not only enhance industrial and trade opportunities, but also improve the overall quality of the life for its residents. Thank you for watching this video.